Okay, just want to do a quick video of our trip to the Big Wheel Horse Show in Pennsylvania, coming from northern Colorado. Got our spare fuel tank. Of course, we got our regular tank. Front tires are a little bit iffy, but I think we'll be okay. We only got, I don't know, 1,500 miles or so. It's not a big deal. I think she'll be just fine. Freshly rebuilt Tecumseh. Yeah, got a little bit of a journey ahead of us, but let's get to it. All right, here we come. Well, I'll update you guys as the journey continues. I think I'll cut it off now. Thanks for watching.